This season, we're introducing 3 new Ryker systems by Breaker Stereo. Over the last few years, we've created and sold several different Ryker packages and developed amp mounting plates, templates, and easy harnesses. This season, our goal is to offer some new packages at a more affordable price, along with developing more parts for a seamless installation. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the 3 new packages we're introducing by DB Drive, along with all the parts you need so you can handle the installation yourself. So stay with us. Hey, what's up? Josh here from Breaker Stereo and Performance. Welcome to our channel that reviews all the best in car audio, performance, suspension, and more. Because we don't drive stock. And if you're like us, where stock just doesn't cut it, make sure to subscribe to this channel. So we still currently offer the 2.0 and the 3.5 packages with the pre-cut harnesses, but we wanted to offer a more affordable option without sacrificing sound. So we're here to introduce the DB Drive Stage 1, 2, and 3 packages starting at $899, $1,049, and $1,099. Now there is a Stage 4 package with 4 speakers and an 800-watt amplifier for $1,699, but that won't be covered in this video. It'll have a video of its own, so make sure to check out that one if you want 4 speakers on your Ryker. Now this particular video is an overview of the 3 new packages along with the demo for each of these systems. And we will be making a full installation tutorial video that covers all 3 DB Drive packages, so make sure to check that one out as well. Now let's start off with the Stage 1 kit. In this kit, there's a set of DB Drive 6.5 marine speakers, model number APS65B. These handle 90 watts RMS and 250 watts peak. These are marine grade speakers and can handle a decent amount of splash. The amp that we have paired is the Neo M2. This is a 2-channel D-class full range amplifier, 125 watts times 2 at 4 ohms. This amp is also marine grade with a conformal coated double-sided PC board, which is nice because if you do get some water on it, it won't damage it. It fits nicely in the front storage compartment on the amp plate, which we'll actually include in the price. Now these kits are also going to come with the same MTX Bluetooth controller and the empty kicker pods. So let's go over both of those now. The MTX Bluetooth controller has a handlebar bracket that will allow you to hook up to your phone and give you some controls such as play, pause, volume up, volume down, and track back and forth. The kicker pods will house the 6.5-inch speakers, and you have 2 options when it comes to placing the speaker pods. The first is the lower area on the side of the hood, or if you want them closer, the second option is on the side of the Ryker's hard plastic, which is the most sturdy part of the bike. Now, in order to mount them, you'll need these brackets that will move the pods back and up, and will even give you taller guys some room so the pods don't hit your knees. Now we will be selling the optional raised pod brackets made of 1/2-inch dense acrylic for $79. So those are your 2 mounting options. We want to mention that we will provide templates if you decide to get the side brackets. We will be including all the wiring needed for this kit, but there is an optional easy pre-cut harness that will make installation much easier for only an additional $99. Now the wires will come pre-cut, loomed, and ready to go. This will easily cut down your installation time considerably and save you hundreds of dollars on professional installation if you decide to install this yourself. Again, we will create a step-by-step tutorial on how to install these kits. Okay, this is how this kit breaks down. The MTX controller retails for $99. The empty kicker pods are $319. The APS65B speakers are $199 for the pair. The Neo M2 amp is $229. The wiring and hardware is $99, and the amp plate is $50. And the total retail price is $999, but we're gonna bundle this up for you and take off $100, giving it to you for only $899. Okay, next, Stage 2. This comes with a set of the DB Drive WDX6 Motos. Now these speakers are designed specifically for power sports and bikes, so they're made for the outdoor environment. Now the magnets are large and are designed to take lots of power, and these speakers are able to handle 175 watts each RMS. Now the tweeters are aluminum dome and are bright and very clean. So when you're riding around with your helmet on, you'll be able to hear your music nice and clear. These speakers are weather resistant and are highly efficient, with the sensitivity coming in at 103.5 dB. The amp we paired up with these speakers is the Moto 400/4. And we're going to be bridging this to 2 channels, and we'll put out 200 watts times 2 at 4 ohms. Now this amp is also part of DB Drive's PowerSport line and has a conformal PC board coating, so it can also take a little moisture. And although all these kits are designed to install in the front storage compartment, which is weatherproof, it's nice to have an amp that can take the elements just in case. Again, same MTX controller, kicker empty pods, standard wiring, hardware, and amp mounting bracket are included in this package. Here's a breakdown on this package. The MTX controller retails for 99 bucks, kicker pods $319, the 6.5-inch speakers WX6 Moto $299, the Moto 400/4 amp $289, wiring and hardware 99 bucks, amp plate 50 bucks, totaling 1,159. We're gonna bundle it up and take off 110 bucks, giving it to you for only 1,049. And these speakers are kind of like the Rockford speakers we put in the 3.5. I would say that these are slightly louder, but definitely not as clean. And finally, the Stage 3 kit. Now, the only difference between the Stage 2 and the Stage 3 are the speakers, which are the WDX6 Moto-CD. Now, these are 6.5-inch full-range speaker with a compression driver for the tweeter versus the aluminum tweeter. Now, the compression driver tweeter is designed to play very loud and can carry much further than the standard tweeter. So if you really want to hear your highs through your full-face helmet and want to be heard from a distance, then this is the kit for you. Now, the sensitivity on these speakers are 102.7, and these things can handle 250 watts RMS, but will do perfectly fine on the Moto 400/4, bridged down to 2 channels at 200 watts a channel. Again, everything in this kit is the same as the Stage 2, the MTX controller, the kicker pods, the wiring, hardware, and the amp kit. So the only difference is the cost in the speakers, which is 50 bucks. So retail on this full package is 1,209 bucks. We're gonna give you 110 off of it, making it 1,099. Now these speakers are very similar to the Diamond Audio speakers we put in the 2.0 system, but this package is gonna be $250 less. So again, Stage 1 is 899 bucks, Stage 2, 1,049, and Stage 3, 1,099. Again, options on all these kits include the raised speaker pod brackets that move the pods up and back, which is a much better listening position than the lower front. Because they're very close and pointed straight at you, they're gonna be louder for you in the riding position. And these brackets are 79 bucks for the pair. The other option is the easy pre-cut harness for $99, and that will make installation easier. Now, as a disclaimer, these prices are subject to change, but we'll do our best to try to keep the pricing down, and we'll guarantee these prices for at least 2024. So if it's after 2024, please check our website for the pricing. Okay, so now we're gonna go out to the Ryker to show you how everything gets mounted, and after that we'll install each of these kits and do a demonstration. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let me show you exactly where everything gets mounted. First off, let's start with the MTX controller that goes right on your handlebar. This does come with the bracket to attach it to it. And then we're gonna give you a small piece of rubber, and that's gonna allow it to stick on there nice and tight. Next, you have the speaker pods. These go right here. As you can see, we have our brackets on the side. In this position, I believe it sounds the best. Now, in the past, we had recommended putting these speaker pods up about right here, which is further away. Now, you could definitely still hear them pretty well, but these are right in your face, and I really like the way that these sound in this position. So I highly recommend that you go with these side brackets. Next, the amplifier. The amplifier is going to be in the storage compartment. We're going to give you a nice custom amp plate so that you can mount that on there so it looks nice and clean. And again, there is that option for the easy harness. And what the easy harness is going to do is going to give you your power, your ground, shoot it up here. You're going to use your cigarette lighter that's in here as the power and the ground for the Bluetooth controller, and then your speaker wires will go to your pods. Okay, all right, let's take a listen. All right, so 116.6 on the dB meter. This is a great system if you want something that's just, relatively cheaper, $899, not too bad. If you want the brackets and the quick disconnect, $1,079. For a starter system, this is good. Riding around, you're gonna have plenty of sound. It's right in your face. But if you want more sound, then let's check out the Stage 2. Okay, we got 124.3 on the dB meter, about the position where you normally sit. Now here's what I noticed. As you start to turn it up, it does distort a little bit. So I had to back it down slightly. That's mainly because the bass is starting to break up. I didn't really hear it with the tweeters. And I also noticed this on the crossover, I did have to go a little bit higher in order to get more sound out of them. Now you didn't see that on camera, but I have it set pretty high versus the compressing tweeters, which I'm gonna put in now. So I'm gonna set the crossover a little bit lower because I know they can handle a little bit more bass. Okay, let's swap these out real quick and then do a test. All right, so we just swapped out these speakers here. Let's go and take a listen to the Stage 3 package. Okay, first off, that definitely sounds better. It's louder, it's cleaner, much brighter, and the mid actually sounds a lot better. So we got 126.9 on the decibel meter. So that's about 2 dB louder than the other speakers in the Stage 2. I like this package. I think for 50 bucks, it's kind of a no-brainer, but you have to know that the tweeter is really bright. So if you don't like that tweeter so bright, then maybe the Stage 2 is good. But keep in mind for you guys that ride with full face helmets, that will be toned down slightly if the helmet is over your ears. Okay, so this package as it sits is $12.79. That's with the speaker brackets and with the easy harness. The Stage 2 is only $50 less, and the Stage 1 all in is $1,079. That's a good starter kit, but if you want to step it up, Stage 2 is good. Stage 3 is definitely the best. Okay. If you're interested in any of these packages, we're going to leave links in the description below that'll take you directly to each product page. Remember, we do have financing available. Simply add to cart, pick a financing option, get approved, and we'll send your gear out to you ASAP. Okay, again, my name is Josh. I'm with Breaker Stereo on Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.